Hi there, I'm Nana and welcome to my food diary. I know we're all busy, especially on office mornings and school days, so I have curated 7 easy and delicious breakfast recipes for you, plus one little bonus. Quick, comforting, and totally doable. I hope you enjoy this collection and maybe find your next favorite breakfast. Pancake. Lately, I have been making these pancakes at least once a week because who doesn't love a breakfast that is this easy and this delicious? I'm using this pancake mix and it's become my absolute go-to whenever I'm craving something sweet, wholesome, and super comforting in the morning. Just mix, pour, flip, and in a few minutes you get this soft, warm, chocolatey pancake that feels like a tiny treat, but it still keeps you feeling good. Simple ingredients, zero effort, and the perfect start to my day. Ever since I started eating avocado, I have been experimenting with so many recipes, and this one is definitely on repeat. Avocado cottage cheese egg toast. It's creamy, filling, super easy to make, and honestly, so delicious. I think I'm slowly becoming a sweet potato paglu because this is yet another sweet potato recipe I'm sharing with you guys. You have all tried the regular potato sandwich, but trust me, try this healthier twist on the classic one. And once you make this, you might just forget about the potato one. I absolutely love this recipe and I really hope you do too. Whenever I'm heading to the office, this is one of my go-to breakfast, a simple cheese egg toast that is fulfilling, wholesome and unbelievably easy to make. Perfect for busy mornings and tastes like comfort on a plate. The kind of breakfast that quietly makes your whole day better. Have you ever thought of making pancakes with cheese? A cheesy pancake? If not, you are seriously missing out on something. This is a popular Vietnamese street style snack, and I recreated it at home using the most basic ingredients because, to be honest, I was really craving for it. It turned out cheesy, soft, and amazing. You have to try this recipe, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye. Another avo recipe coming your way. This avocado egg toast is quick, satisfying, and ridiculously easy to make. Trust me, you'll want this one on repeat. When life gives you, make banana chocolate chip banana. So today I made the easiest banana chocolate chip pancakes. I mashed one banana, cracked in an egg, added milk, whole wheat flour, baking powder, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt, and of course lots and lots of chocolate chips. Mix everything gently and cooked it on low heat until it turned golden and soft. So these pancakes are so comforting, perfect for busy mornings, office days, or whenever you crave something sweet but simple. Try it once, you'll fall in love with how quick and cozy this breakfast is. And here's the bonus one. This one is seriously delicious. Just butter, sauces, eggs, bread, and some cheese. That's all it takes to make a quick, comforting breakfast in minutes. So that's all for now, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.